Hierdie uitsig oor die 4 mere van Kossie Baai, die tradisionele visvyke en die Indiese Oseaan deur agter, is een van die hoogtepunte van Maputaland. Ek het net buite die parkgrense by Amangwane Camp gebly. Nicola McGillicuddy van Amangwane het my na een van die vissers met Chakuza Tembe geneem, sodat ek kan sien hoe hulle die viskrale bou en hoe dit werk.
So what they do is they'll take this, they'll strip off the leaves, and then you end up with that over there.
And that's basically sort of the basket, the little kraal they make.
That'll be your kraal.
Yeah.
So what they'll do is they wet this, and they put it into strips, and then when they tie it again, wet it, and that's what makes the rope. So you'll start there, and then you'll go on up, start again. So that'll go in 2 lengths to make the one kraal. It's the spears that they use.
It's light, and then obviously strong as well.
Okay, so the wood is usually Natal silver oak because they get unusually straight branches.
Oh, it's a new one.
I'll check. Oh, this is the one with the good binding. I always say to me, if I need my fishing rods fixed, I'm going to bring them here. Check there. Show you how to use it.
Cool.
So, of course, then ideally the thing is when you see the fish coming, it's a spear just in front of him. So by the time he's come past, you can nab it.
Yeah.
And then stand and wait for the fish to come round because you'll see a lot of people start going in circles.
It's definitely something that'll take quite a bit of practice.
Okay, so if he gets his fish, that's where they put it onto.
Alright, so then you tie it up.
Yeah.
I see.
Goes onto a wire and they can hang it up. See, the ideal thing with the fish traps is, of course, in this area, no electricity or anything.
Yeah.
So if they catch a fish, they take home what they need. So they can basically, that acts as their refrigerator. So they know tomorrow they come back with a bit more. Only problem, of course, is birds. Like a drive-through for them, they just sit there and
Okay.
fish will go there. You'll see the sort of fencing. Head for deeper water. You'll get in here, and here it goes quite deep. And
So that's kind of the instinct that they would head for the
Yeah,
deeper
they
water,
head for the
deeper water,
deeper
but that's
water.
where the trap
And
gets
then that's where the
narrower
trap gets
and narrower and narrower.
And that's eventually where they get trapped into. They'll go in there, they'll swim in there, and they want to come out that side. It then closes.
And then they get stuck in little
they
corners
get
there.
stuck.
Daarna het ons die meer ingestap en gaan kyk of Mchakuza iets gevang het, maar dit was nie so 'n goeie dag nie.
It's quite close.
Sure. A whole day's work for one fish. I'm not too sure about this business.
Only one, it's not a small one.
Small grunter.
Yeah, small one, yeah.
Sure. Hier, ek is aan die einde van my kusreis by Kossie Baai se riviermond waar in die Indiese Oseaan inloop en die Mosambiekse grens is net so 1 kilo of 3 daai kant toe. En dit het my, ek weet nie, 3 weke gevat om die 3000 km te ry. En dit was ongelooflik en hierdie is miskien die mooiste plek op die hele reis. Dit is redelijk ongerep, is natuurlijk 'n natuurreservaat. Ons se visvyke is net hier in die meer op en ja, dit was 'n voorreg geweest.